Waiter, waiter. More deck nerfs.
Now route 2, heading to new coordinates.
Engineers have been bolstered and are ready for combat.
We gotta capture and hold that ground.
See how this goes, eh?
No route. Reference that grid point. We need to secure and hold it.
Weapon support center.
Because I can start my WSC straight away and it's not going to impact the timing of my
Combat engineers
second assault engineer. It's always good to like double check those things. 25-second build time.
Let's scouts lead the way. Hold it up front. Advance team, securing point.
Engineers here. Center is up and running. Greases, hold that perimeter while we capture.
Assault engineers are entering the field.
Never
Hold
build
up a
that.
sec, sir. Looks unoccupied to me. Let's take it. All right. Hey, you got a job for us? Well, aren't we a sight for sore eyes? Captured. Got anything else for us? Engineers,
Capture complete, sir. Waiting on you. Need some capture and hold that area.
Engineers here. Quit lagging behind. Get on that
Oops.
ground.
Have to
Take it
start
from
my
them.
machine gun.
Howard, Jerry's napping. Let's liberate that sector. Pack of Smoke says these aren't for us. Get it done, Howard. You, cover the rear.
Location secure.
Fan out, boys.
Smooth so far.
Well, would you?
Heavy machine gun has been requisitioned.
Hey, you got a job for us? Engineers securing the location. Engineers here. Location secure. Now get us some support.
More damage.
And fuck me, they're taking
It's like
pot
vehicles
shots
on
at us.
assault engineers, remember?
Engineers, get moving.
Which flank security on approach.
Let's
This is
go.
crowd
Stick
territory.
together.
Point secure.
Engineers here.
Germans might probe the area to see.
Barbed wire. Get it done.
MG waiting on MG moving on.
Late building this.
30 cal. Take goddamn cover.
Gun. Enemy territory. Check for cover as we secure it.
Make it quick and make it loud.
Oh, what, do I want to build one of those? No, I want to build one of these. Sick machine gun.
Get on with it.
Secure that
Make, grab your
position.
kit. Go. Engineers, hold. Enemy infantry. Close it in.
Prepare for contact.
Secure that
We're
point.
holding. Wait.
Don't stop for anything. Get to it now.
Cut that infantry
Engineers,
down, boys.
get moving.
They're in the open.
Combat. Go. Stick together.
You're okay. Just start firing.
Move it. Engineers need fire support.
That's us, boys. Get ready.
HMG team deploying.
Go. Engineers, take an enemy fire.
Reload. I gotta reload.
What's up? Take him out.
Weapon crew, you're with me. Quiet down. Incoming orders. MG waiting on you. Why am I always carrying the gun? Set the gun.
God damn it. What now?
Get down.
God damn it.
Sniper.
Get fall back. Break contact. Machine gun.
Amen.
This cover's not
Sniper! Sniper picking us off!
We got all ass. New guys up, front and center. Take that point. Push him out. Sniper's got him for us.
The fuck? I right-clicked this. Fucking shoot it, please.
Of enemy movement near our victory point.
Don't stop for any shit. We're taking heavy fire.
We've got to keep moving.
Give it everything you've got.
Air support center upgrade incoming.
What we want is over yonder.
I wonder if I'm supposed to build a quad in this situation. Probably am, right?
Clearing a path.
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Why am I always carrying the gun, huh?
Too late on my ASC though.
Get ready to advance to contact. We've got orders.
We got the tools.
Let me put a mine down
The
there.
victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Let's take it.
Where'd you need a 30 cal? Let's break them down and move.
Cool.
Contact!
Commander, we're losing territory.
Son of a bitch hiding! Sir, just scouting ahead!
MG moving on.
One of our munitions points is being neutralized.
Hey, you got a job?
Territory point is no longer under our control.
Engine lies up, helmets on.
Get those.
We're
We
going.
gotta capture and hold that ground.
Got the. All right, come on. We got the tools.
Get down, sniper!
I need a damage report. All ass.
Commander, we've lost the sector. Recon run by request.
Making their move. Grab your kid. Go. Sniper!
Then why am I always carrying the gun, huh?
Parker over there. Better than a thumb in these. Parker over there.
No! Fall back. Get down!
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base. Sir, yes, sir. Go! Clear the deck. We're getting an F-45. All in. Hurry! A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Boys, just stick to your partner. Stay. Engineers have been reinforced.
MG moving on.
Victory point now under enemy control. M3 displacing. Lock it down.
Ready, Cal, ready!
That's us, boys. Get your gear ready. We're all ears.
Commander, it's done. Parker over there.
Hey, tips to warning orders! It's
Don't move!
fire! Enemy contact!
30 cal, ready! Setting the tripod!
Take
Cover
this
this zone!
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Combat engine, go! Stick together! Jerry's napping. Let's do it. 16. Repositioning the quad man. Standing by. We can get on that ground and take it from him.
Pull over.
Who's that?
Engineers here. Retreat! Combat and take that sector. Secure it.
30 cal, ready!
On it.
Damn it. Terror.
So the
Reports of enemy
Patreon
movement
thing?
near our victory point.
Sniper!
We've lost a squad of
Oh,
assault
I'm
engineers.
surprised they died there. Must have been a good grenade.
Settle down! We got securing enemy resources.
M16 ready. Heading to new coordinates.
They've captured a victory
I think
point.
they're cheap.
Hold on tight. We're heading out.
Repositioning the quad mount. Shouldn't be a problem.
Hold position here. Contact! Enemy 18! Enemy 18! Where's your driver?
Grasshopper reporting in.
30 cal. Why am I always
No
carrying the
route
gun,
scouts
huh?
will lead the way.
Quit lagging behind. Enemy territory. Check for.
Assault engineers have reported for duty.
Gotta move.
Driver, steady forward. Engage on sight.
We've been told guard that line and
Point us
spray
at the
whatever
enemy.
moves.
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base.
Let's
Repositioning the quad mount. Brakes. Getting to work.
let's move out.
Repositioning the quad mount.
That's our number.
Repositioning the quad mount. We're repositioning the quad mount. Repositioning the quad mount.
Enemy infantry! Forward on! Driver, get us out of here! Driver, get us out of here! We're ground fire!
Quit
Where'd
lagging
you need?
behind.
What are you waiting? Ground fire! Shoot! First! Move!
Engineers on the hook!
You have 3 command points available.
Get on with it!
Clear out! Keep firing!
Engineers, take that territory! Make them pay for it!
Get ready for action! Back to HQ! Sniper! Sniper picking us off!
What's up?
Capture it.
Where's driver?
Where'd you need a
Okay,
30 cal?
manpower up the
Let's go
fucking
find us some
wazoo here,
crowds.
boys. Maybe get one more
Where'd
assault
you need a 30
engineer.
cal? MG moving
A
on.
fuel point is being seized by the enemy.
Capture orders
Engineers
just
standing by.
M6, let's roll them out.
Could even go for a fuel cache in a situation like this.
Repositioning the quad mount. Repositioning the quad mount.
Think you can advance to new... Stop it here. Enemy infantry! Fire at will! Stop! Wait, move out! Now!
Assault engineers are entering the field.
Get us out of here!
The sector's been overrun. It's theirs now.
Driver! Get us out of here! Halt! Halt!
Recon awaiting orders.
Seizing location. Hey, you got a job for us? Engineers here.
Where'd you need? Come on, head out.
Get it done now.
Weapon crew, prepare for contact. You're with me. Why am I always carrying the gun, huh?
M16 crew awaiting orders.
MG inside. Make it quick.
Orders received. We're on it.
We are on the way.
Preparing for armor production. Hey, I got a job for us. We're denying access. Grab the spoils. They're okay.
What the fuck? Oh, it must be an invis one.
Resisting the quad man. Resource cache dump.
What Monsters can do. Get ready to advance to contact.
Engineers standing by.
Point it, let's go.
Pump the brakes. Eyes on the perimeter while we capture.
Where'd you need
No
quad?
running back. We got our engine set out. Get ready.
Move it.
We got somewhere to be. Back.
Make a decision.
Quit stalling.
What's up?
Give it some gas.
Make an infantry. Get the
MG,
cover.
waiting on you.
Securing enemy resources. Enemy troopers. Retreat. Keep your
Back
distance.
Orders. Secure set up on that location.
Don't know where to run.
MG, waiting on you.
Driver, get us out of here.
Enemy infantry. Close it in. Stick together.
Grab that engine, boys. Son of a
Engineers on the hook. Engineers here. Scouts are making their move.
Where'd you need the quad?
Ready to get to it. Capture complete, sir. Waiting on you.
Infantry's on the move.
We have recovery vehicles ready to take the field. Tank depot, eyes on. Elders on. We're going.
30 cal ready.
Repositioning the quad mount.
Grasshopper recon on station.
Where'd you need the quad? Give him a taste of the meat. Hold it.
Goddammit.
Break! Move out, now! Driver, get us out of here! Move your ass! Get crowd infantry! Blast away!
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base.
Get loud here! Contact! German infantry!
Our half track is scrapped.
God, those fucking base MGs do so much damage, dude.
Prep the M1.
MG, waiting on you.
At least I got him. Alright, I'm probably gonna need a bazooka squad now. And I'll go for a bulldozer first.
Here they go.
Commander, all vehicles will now have less strain on our population and upkeep.
Well, our minesweepers, gunners,
300 points remaining for the Germans.
by. Oh, shit! Where were they again?
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Show them how, boys!
Kill every prick you see!
Head to the location.
Scout team, scouting ahead!
Tom, grab your kit.
30
Go!
cal ready.
Oh, fuck me! They're taking pot shots at us!
Hear that?
God damn it! Don't stop, Reese's! Stand to.
Regal and
Bazooka squad
sniper.
reporting in.
Engineers on the hook! This is good for
Ready
us!
for duty! Fall back! Get the hell out of here!
It's time to go sniper, sniper.
Engineers ready. Trouble. Bazooka team! Pick up the pace! Engineer... All ass! Quit lagging behind. Well, let's pack it up and move. Move it!
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Move it! Don't stop for anything! Grab your kit! Go!
Get that infantry down, boys.
Grasshopper high altitude recon. Waiting on your word.
Hey, you gotta...
They've taken our victory point.
Ready to get to it.
All-purpose mines. There, there.
Been told wherever needed.
Contact. Orders are to engage.
Sector gone. We must take it back.
We're picking us up.
Pack those weapons.
Sniper report relocating to new location. Sharp starting my advance.
We're losing a fuel point.
Sniper reporting.
Where were they again?
I have everything but a target. Sniper, rebasing. Never underestimate me. What's our target? Shake it out. Sending us into enemy lines.
Get that infantry out in the open.
Come, engineers, get moving.
Getting clear. Time to get going.
One of our sectors is now in enemy hands.
Clear out! Found the enemy line! Rebasing!
Get down.
Sniper reporting! Order, boys! Stay low!
Down. Incoming orders.
shot had range! Fear is sniper! Making my move!
Dozer, gone to the front! Let's go!
What's scouts?
We've lost a territory sector.
Anti-tank! AP! Repositioning! Squad those fires!
A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Sniper! Moving out! We're gonna drive into the line and secure
Who's
that
the
ground.
mark?
I have a heading.
Bazooka, rest time's over.
Intervention is at hand.
A victory point is under enemy control now.
Well, keep those bazookas on the wings. Let's go. Greases, hold that perimeter while we capture. Where's the mark?
Grasshopper reporting in.
Retreat! Back to HQ!
Sniper reporting. Getting started. Point secure. Keep alert. Germans might probe the area.
Disengage!
Needs clearing. Defend our victory point. We're losing it. Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base.
Let's get
What?
It's getting busy.
Why did you... What the fuck?
Making a
Why were you not in cover?
You heard me?
Hello?
They've taken our victory point.
Too challenging. Scouts, all right, we're done here. Meet back at HQ.
The fuck was that, dude? What the fuck was that? Seriously.
Bazooka team, pick up the pace.
What was that?
Weapon grenade on that 50!
Can anybody explain to me what just happened there?
Gunny says we gotta move.
We've got our mission. Give us some
Intervention is at hand.
We got the tools.
It was in cover, right? It was in like cover the whole time.
enemy movement near victory point.
Our
objective's clear.
Listen up.
Territory lost.
I have making my move.
Engineers here.
CO, let's get where we're
Settle
going.
down! We got orders!
Sector lost. No
Don't
contact.
see this coming!
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Enemy infantry. Close it in.
Quick as can be.
Go. Stick together.
Taking my shot.
Get to work, engineers. Head to the location. Here.
Troopers, cranking away at us!
Make a decision. Enemy tank. We need support.
Let's head out, boys. Fear incarnate.
Infantry! Watch the
The enemy have taken territory from us.
Fear in a pack.
Back to HQ.
Moving our way.
Here with me.
Sniper. Keep
Bazooka
it.
team.
Grasshopper, ready to make another run.
Cover the rear.
The victory point is under attack. We must act.
We got the word,
Down
gentlemen.
the enemy line.
Got the word from the battalion.
Heavy losses. Intervention is at hand. What's heads down?
Give us some distance. They've captured a victory point.
Orders! We're on it!
Alright, safety's off.
Sniper. Moving out.
Infantry wants some.
Hellcat has been completed.
What's up? Oh, look at that. Keep those bazookas on
Who's
the
the
wings.
mark?
Let's go.
Relocating to new location. The die is cast.
Tank just from Hellcat stalking the enemy.
Fire! Roll back. Break contact.
Loaded and fall in. Remove.
We've been told where we're needed.
Enemy movement near victory point.
These bazookas need targets, damn it! That was a sniper!
Everything but a target.
Engineers taking off.
Get out of here! Back to HQ!
A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Intervention is at hand.
You didn't dump those are kicking up some shit. Well, aren't
get
we
this
a
over
sight
with.
for sore eyes? Look at all these fresh faces.
Victory point now under enemy control. What needs to keep your spacing? Don't bunch up. Rev up that engine, boys. We're moving. 105 moving in new position. Ground infantry! We've lost control of a sector.
Engineers secure the location. Hey, get it done now.
Order
You,
back up,
cover the
back up,
rear.
back up!
Reinforced.
Who's the mark?
Ready to get
To it.
starting the build. I want it right here. Orders, fellas. We're headed into crowd territory.
Where'd you... All right, lock it down. We're moving out on
Sniper
patrol.
reporting.
Where'd you... Get ready to advance to
Bazooka team.
contact.
Pick up the pace.
Goddamn rubber!
We have a Hellcat reporting for duty.
Landmine! Back to
Engine, push up and capture. Don't let him get in our way.
We have a surplus of command points.
Take that sector. Secure it.
Make a break!
Holy
That's
shit.
an affirmative. Pull it
They
back.
pushed us off a sector.
Oh, do your hands hurt? Come on.
All right, let's move
Rifle
out.
at the ready.
Unit 105 moving to new position.
Yokels are good for something after
Get it
all.
done!
Position finished. Engineers here. We got the tools. You heard the boss. Come on.
Look alive, boys. We're up.
Engaging frontline elements. Grab your kit. Location taken. Where's our counterattack? Make it. Oh, fuck. Retreat. Back to HQ.
Looks like we're going in.
Scout, secure for transport. We're advancing to contact.
M18 report.
Enemy tanks nearby. Get us in close.
Bring her to a stop. Got the word from the... Hey, Gunner, we'll get the breathing room.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Fall back. Break the grenade. Shit.
Fresh face.
105 moving to new position.
Territory point is no longer under our control.
Light security on the
A victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Full strength.
They're calling
Ready
us
for
in,
action.
fellas.
Can't put them in the same control group, right? Can't select two buildings at once.
Get off. Head to the location.
Welcome to the show.
Dozer, reverse. Grind those.
Time to march,
Take it
fellas.
nice and careful.
Weapon. Lead man. Holler if you see anything remotely German looking.
Recon run by request.
Uncle Sam's got work for us.
M18 report.
He's in range.
Intervention is ahead.
Sniper!
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base.
Take the cover. Firing drills are making their move. Sector's good for us. Enemy infantry. Close it in. Off the armor. Down.
Sniper reporting.
We got that on that ground. Take it from them.
Just get where we're going.
Orders in. Get to it.
Get to it. Take their sector. Nice and quiet.
They're calling us in, fellas. Stay the hell down!
When it's cleared.
Sniper! That's some of the big time!
Commander, defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Wise up. Helmet up. Engineers, get moving! Engineers!
The victory point is under enemy control now.
Back to HQ! Disengage!
Come on, boys. Get on it. Tank destroyer. Loud and clear.
Commander, the enemy holds all victory points.
Our objective's clear. Let's get this.
Combat and take that territory!
Looks like
Make
we're
them pay
going
for
in.
it!
A munitions point is being attacked.
Never see us coming. They'll never see us coming. Hellcat stalking the enemy.
Engineer...
High altitude recon, ready for mission.
Stay out of sight!
Watch for Panzer Faust!
Engineers here!
Commander, we've lost the sector.
Engineers! Run! Run! Make... Oh, finally! What's up? Uncle Sam's got
They'll
shit!
never see us
We must pull this back. We're down to 300 points.
Our objective's clear.
God damn it! Take it! Fall back!
Who's that eyes on? Listen up. We gotta back those crowds real good. Enemy infantry giving it a try. my advance. Sniper! Sniper picking us off! Look alive, boys!
We need to use our... An entire gun crew has been killed.
Contact! Contact!
We've lost a scout squad. Assault engineers have reported for duty.
We got the word. We gotta pull back! Make it happen! Field guys! They're down! Bazookas need to move forward! Join your squad!
What is sniper? Heading over! What is that shit?
Like we're going in! All right, come on. Come on, boys. They're kicking up steam. They're retreat! That's it. Give it back.
Make a decision.
Squad those kids!
Orders, you engineers have been promoted. Retreat! I can't kill.
What is it? Hellcat has their prey! Damn fine! That's the word from battalion
Enemy
command.
territory. Check for cover.
Good to go. You see anything remotely German looking?
Seek and destroy tactics available. Vehicle crews have clearance to advance.
M18 reporting.
Engineers, Jerry's napping. Let's
Order just
liberate
came
that
through on the
sector.
radio.
Where'd you need it? All right, lock it down.
Time to get to work, crew. Keep your spacing. Don't bunch up. Assault engineers are entering the field.
Reposition the houses. Enemy territory. All out. Cover.
Intervention is at hand.
We're gonna get our asses shot.
Breaking engagement! Moving out! What's wrong?
Grasshopper recon on station.
See it? We need to park it over there, man. Weapon crew ready. Ready HE. Confirmed.
We're down to 200 points.
Hey, you got a job? Get on that ground. Take it from him.
Tank destroyer, loud and clear. Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base.
We are good to go. Orders, Duke, capture that area.
Hellcat has been completed. Tank destroyer, loud and clear. Rev up that engine, boys.
Engineer, quit lagging behind. Hey, yeah. Get to work. Get on with it. Not get fall back. Break contact.
All right, let's move out.
We got enemy territory. Check for cover as we secure it. Looky. Grease Jerry's napping. Let's liberate that sector.
Loud and
Set up
clear.
and stand by.
What needs clearing?
Pack those weapons. Orders coming in.
Engineers here. Dr. HQ, disengage!
Here. Clear the road. Hey, we need to park it over there, man. Driver, stop here.
Lies up, helmets on.
Stay alert! Sniper! Moving out!
Greases, stand to.
Air supremacy is ours. We have more birds available to take to the sky, Commander. A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Looks like we're capture and hold that area.
We got this.
Yeah, but watch your fucking spacing already.
Empty
Victory point now under enemy control.
Engine seizing location.
That's it. Grasshopper, ready to make another run.
You're on that point. Retreat! That's what's good for us.
That's us.
Hellcat! Hellcat! Off to the battlefield! Keep your spacing. Don't bunch up.
Looks like we're going in.
Clear out, crew.
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Intervention is at hand.
Where'd you need a 30 cal? We're falling back to the number 5.
I got him! Sniper down!
M18 driver, we're breathing room. They'll never see us coming. Moving a new. Hold in here.
Engineers have been reinforced. Ready to get to
Orders just came down.
Damn it! Territory sector claimed by the enemy.
word.
What do you rev up that engine, boys? We're moving.
Order, set up on that point.
Got the Hellcat stalking the enemy.
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base.
And driver, stop here.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
They're breaking through!
Sniper reporting.
They've taken our victory point.
Get to him.
Move!
Line up.
Take the block!
We got you. Man up, boys. Capture job. Engineers here. God damn it! What now?
Weapon crew ready.
Get those guns ready.
Relocate.
Orders just
New
came in.
location.
All right, now what?
Hack it up. They're pulling us back.
I have everything. Sniper moving out.
Weapon, get your gear ready and move out.
All right, let's move
Who's the
out.
mark?
Engineer Jerry's napping. Let's
Hellcat
deliver it
stalking
this
the
time.
boys.
Orders just AT barrage clubs want to dance. Show 'em how, boys.
Make a decision.
With me, engineers!
Recon awaiting orders.
Well, aren't we? I'll get on that ground. Take it from
right
them.
like it down.
Greases, engineers looking for
CO
trouble.
felt we needed something to
Enemy
do.
territory. Check for cover. Stop.
Hellcat stalking the enemy.
Engineers here.
Fall back! Right on me! Pull it back! Fire!
Engineers taking losses here. Engineers here. Engineers.
CO's coming.
We've lost a squad of assault engineers.
Losing numbers.
Enemy infantry, give it a try!
Enemy movement near victory point. Grasshopper recon on station.
Orders are orders!
They've captured a victory point. Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base. Assault engineers have reported for duty. Enemy in control of all victory points.
It's a loaf later, goddammit! We gotta take that position! Follow me! Loud and clear! Get it done! We got the orders! Let's go! Armor's got a line! CO's coming! Check is clear!
We got it. You heard the boss. Come on. Get on that ground. Hey, you got a job for us? Wise up.
I have
Helmets
everything.
on.
Safety's
Let's go.
off. Firing free.
CO felt we needed something to do!
Fire mission. AT.
Get that newbie somewhere.
Commander, we should spend our munitions.
MA team reporting!
Territory lost.
Engineers here. Looks unoccupied to me. Let's
Grasshopper high altitude recon. Waiting on your word.
My vent.
That's us.
Recon run by request.
Going round. Fire. Word, gentlemen. That's it. Right on.
Assault engineers are entering the field.
Get ready. Combat engineers.
Well, look, secure that ground.
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base. 99 fighters here.
Sector will be mine.
T-Bone dropping bombs and getting the hell out of here.
Who's the mark?
Looks
I have
unoccupied to
everything.
me.
Making my move. Holding ground.
Defend our victory point. We're losing it. Enemy down to 100 points. Repeat, 100 points.
Give us some distance, goddammit!
Enemy infantry.
Fear in. Relocate. New location.
Look.
Assault engineers have fallen in combat.
Enemy infantry, give it a try!
coming down the chain. Listen up. They're calling us in, fellas.
Intervention is at hand.
Hey, you got us.
Let's get this
Now,
baby purring. We needed something.
Reese's, stand to. All-purpose
We got
quit lagging behind.
There, and there.
Prep the M1.
Start
Engineers
digging.
here. All right, come on.
Assault engineers have reported for duty.
They're moving us across the front line.
Enemy activity near our munitions point.
Why am I always carrying the gun?
We have double Their line's breaking. Only 50 points left.
Engineers here.
The whole bazooka squad has been killed.
We're taking heavy fire. Get on. Stick together.
Objective's clear. Never see us coming.
Take hot shots at us. Let's toss it. Damn it! Get to work. Make it get to. Now, enemy territory. Heads up.
Almost there. Germans have 25 points.
Securing enemy resources under fire. Man down! Man down! Disengage!
A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Goddamn tank! They'll never see us coming.
Grasshopper recon on enemy control now.
It's clearing. Back up! Hell's grown over!
Hellcat has been wrecked.
Get on with that! Trout sector!
We're on it!
Bingo fuel in. Heading back to base. We have 100 points remaining.
Wait!
Hell, Pete, what is it? Give us some distance, goddammit!
Retreat!
We've lost a squad of assault engineers.
All right, come on.
That's in a fire down.
What is it?
Tank
Get to
destroyer,
it.
loud and clear.
We're advancing. Prepare for contact.
Goes are here!
Right, the hunt begins.
We've been told. Just do what you're told, all right? Let's capture it.
Engineers standing by. Us. Engineers here. Yeah, bitch.
Look up, pull it back, steady! Tank destroyer, loud and
Enemy
clear.
movement near a victory point.
Fear incarnate. Weapon free.
We got
Moving.
the tool. Jerry's napping. Let's
I have
liberate that
everything
sector.
holding fire.
Back those
Waiting.
weapons. Orders coming in.
Sniper moving out.
Greases, stead on that ground.
Assault engineers are entering the... A victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Make them pay
Who's
for
the
it.
start of my bins? Oh, fuck me! They're taking
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Engineers taking look.
Grasshopper, ready to make another run.
Sniper making my
Our
move.
opponent has all victory points under their control. Act now! Only 75 points left for us. Here we go.
God damn it! Jerry, enemy resources under fire.
M18 report.
Get on. Infantry, get to cover.
Territory is falling into enemy hands.
Park it over there, man.
Greases, stand
Starting
true.
my
Hey,
bins.
you got a job for us? Enemy tank! Retreat! What's up, and you? Don't let him get in our way.
Get the wounded out of there. Down to only 50 points.
Make securing enemy resources under fire. Making them move.
west of enemy movement near our victory point.
It's done. The battle is out.
Jesus.
Stand down.
Oof, he made me work for it. It's so hard to kill these fucking Brumbiers, dude, when they're backed up by the double packs. Really, really tough. The bulldozers, I mean, the Hellcats just missed so many shots. Yeah, I was having a little bit of trouble. Like, sometimes I'd try to do the recon pass, and then I'd be too busy tied up doing something else. I wouldn't really be able to capitalize on it too much. It was all right, though. Had generally a bit too much manpower float throughout this game. Probably should have invested into the cash earlier as well. That would have been good. Would have got my tanks out super, super fast if I'd done that. I was a bit nervous about coming back down this side. Worried about a mine, maybe. Can I see mines if mines are on the map right now? Yeah, I can. I thought there was a pretty good base inspection I did, and I knocked out his mid bunker. It doesn't look like he rebuilt it right. That was probably sapping his manpower pretty late. Because I killed that like quarter of an hour ago. And he never rebuilt it. And he's got so many Peregrines. I think that was a mistake from him for sure. Push back off with airstrikes. Yeah, it's pretty easy to dodge these realistically. They're just in there to cause a bit of chaos. Just about like spotting, then using the planes. It's so annoying that you can't put these on the same control group. You can't select 2 mortar pits at once. Really, really frustrating. I don't know what the fuck they've done there. No, ASC gave, like, he had to be super careful with the sniper because if he tried to be aggressive with it, my ASC plane could reveal it and then I'd be able to counter snipe him. I think it really shut down a sniper. I didn't upgrade that many engineers with flamethrowers. I think I upgraded 2 or 3 throughout the whole match. But on the tail end, I was just going for sweepers because I had so many tanks to repair and it planted quite a lot of mines. So I wanted any engineer that happened to be close to the front line to be able to sweep mines if I ever wanted to make an aggressive push. Yeah, they fixed it. I think they fixed it on the howitzer, the other patch. I think some howitzers you couldn't select and control, and you couldn't select multiple alongside other things. But it looks like they didn't apply the same fix to mortar pits. I think he made a mistake. I decrewed his pack over here and he ended up, I think I heard him destroy it. He definitely should not have destroyed it. He should have kept using it. Don't know what he's thinking. GG.